So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way on the Macs, on specifically staff and teacher Macs here in OCSU, how you can turn on and off the pop-up blocker. Now, by default, you probably don't want pop-ups coming when you're using the internet. So when you go to a browser like Safari and you're surfing and it keeps on popping up other pages when you're trying to get to things, it just gets annoying. But in certain situations, you actually want the pop-ups to come up. Like, for example, when you're giving SBAC testing, it needs to have the pop-ups enabled because it brings up information that you need to click on and attend to. There's other situations you're going to run into, like with certain training sites, same thing. So to turn it on or off, you need to get to self-service. Now, a couple ways you can get to self-service. If I go to my spotlight, which is the magnifying glass in the upper right hand corner, and start typing in self-service. You can see I only wrote self here. It'll pop up. I could just double click or hit return and the application would come up. I could also go to my Go menu, and if I go down to applications here, it'll show me every program that's on my computer, including self-service. Now, either way, once you get to self-service, you open it up and launch it. Here I am in self-service. On the sides, my different categories. Right now I'm in the featured category, which does list the pop-up blocker, but I can also get to it by going to browsers on the side. You can see it gives me options to unblock pop-ups, so they're no longer blocked, or to block them if pop-ups are happening and I don't want them to. And it's as simple as clicking on the option, telling it to unblock. If I click here, you can see it's giving me the progress for this particular script. You'll notice it's set up for Firefox and for Safari, so you can use it for both. So right now, pop-ups would be allowed if I went to a site. And then if I want to block it again, I can just go and click on block. And you can do this as many times as you need to across the course of a school year. So in a nutshell, that's how you block and unblock pop-ups.